we just got this 1998 LX470 for my mother. It's pretty beat up, needs a good deal of work all over. Right now I'm working on the center console cover. A friend of mine gave me an extra that he had lying around from L-Seat, but I don't think I'm going to be replacing the actual seat covers with the L-Seat leather, and I'll show you why in my truck real quick. So this is my 99. These are the L-Seat leather covers. They are pretty good quality as far as the stitching and how everything comes, especially for a little bit less than $500. But I've had an issue basically right here. It's very small, but this is only after about 18 months of use. There's an outer layer on the leather, and and that's like the color, and then the inner layer is the actual material itself. On my friend Horacio's truck, it's so much worse. The whole armrest is torn up, the sides of the leather are tearing up, and I'm just worried that over time it's not really going to be worth it, since, you know, it won't hold up. My friend Mike Lepley has the Riddies, so I'll probably be putting those on the 98. But for now, since I have it and it was free, I'm gonna put the L-Seat center console cover on, just to make the truck look a little bit better. So here's the new leather cover, and the first step is to remove, there are 4 small JIS screws